In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script into TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to optimize your strategies or just starting out, this guide will help you seamlessly incorporate your custom scripts into the platform. So let's dive right in. First, head over to TradingView. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart section. This is where all the magic will happen. Now turn your attention to the bottom of your screen and click on Pine Editor. This is the built-in code editor within TradingView where you can write and deploy your Pine scripts. Once you're in the Pine Editor, the next step is to copy the code provided here. Let me walk you through what this script does. It starts by setting the script version to 4, then it defines a simple strategy using moving averages. The 20 period and 50 period exponential moving averages, the code checks if the 20 EMA is greater than the 50 EMA to identify long positions and the opposite for short positions. These calculations are plotted on the chart in green and pink lines. There's also a set time period where these strategies are executed from January 1st, 2021 to August 1st, 2021. This is a fundamental strategy for trend following, which can be a great starting point for further customization. Copy the script and paste it directly into the Pine editor. Once your code is pasted, click Add to Chart. This action will overlay your moving averages on the chart and begin processing the strategy conditions you've set. The next step is to evaluate how this strategy performs. TradingView provides several tools for this. Click on the Strategy Tester tab beside the Pine editor. This feature in TradingView allows you to simulate and evaluate how well your strategy would have performed historically. Next, click on Performance. This will give you a detailed breakdown of your strategy's efficiency, showing wins, losses, and various other key metrics. Next, move to the Overview section, which displays essential summary statistics, such as net profit and percentage of profitability. It's a fantastic snapshot of your strategy's overall performance. For more detailed insights, click on Trades Analysis. This section breaks down individual trades, giving you great detail about entry and exit points and results. Don't forget to also click on Risk Performance Ratios. Here, you'll gain an understanding of how risk is being managed within your strategy. This portion is essential for balancing reward and risk effectively. Finally, you'll want to look at the Simple Moving Average Strategy report. This will provide a comprehensive report of everything the script has been doing. By reviewing these insights, you can make informed decisions on whether to tweak your script or strategy for future trading. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and evaluated a Pine script on TradingView. Remember, practice and experimentation are key in the trading world. Keep exploring and refining your scripts, and you'll gain greater insights and better results. Happy trading!